So I've actually ran over this once already and I forgot to press record. There is bits of damage on it already, but it's nothing major. Right, I don't want you to think it's staged, so try and get it done in one go. Kind of lined up, centre, yeah, it's good. Okay. So, as you can see, I think just give it a good once over, a bit of a kill. Okay, no cracks, nothing, hinges are good. Okay, yeah, some damage to this. It's actually killing me, but you know, gotta do it. Okay, so got some damage here. See, this is on the locking mechanism, so this will be a good test to see whether it locks back in place. Obviously got some scratching, like serious. It's going through me doing this, but again, I don't want to be some false prophet here, selling something that, ooh, that is deep. Nasty. Well, I suppose if it falls out of the back of the pickup on the motorway or the highway, then you know you're safe for at least one vehicle running over it.